Making your own baby food at home can be quick, easy and very cost-effective. But not all food processors are ideal for making baby food. So, you might consider checking out this best food processor for baby food. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Want to make homemade baby food but think it's too hard or takes too long? With Baby Brezza's Glass One-Step Food Maker, nutritious homemade baby food is a breeze. The Glass Food Maker automatically steams and blends fresh veggies, fruits, and meats in minutes for healthy, homemade baby food. It's the only baby food maker with a glass bowl, and its large 4-cup capacity can make multiple meals at once with the press of one button. The unique Viper blade blends food with precision to the perfect consistency, and it's easy to use and clean. The steam tank is fully accessible, the water tank is removable, and the glass bowl and blades are dishwasher safe. Not only is homemade baby food better for your baby's development, you can save hundreds of dollars a year versus store-bought baby food. The Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker was chosen Baby Food Maker of the Year in 2018 by Baby Center, and moms are raving about it. Make mealtime your favorite time with the Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker.
And these are editor rating for this product.